with a clear structure using a specified element.
Quiet of the night, when the stars align, I hear whispers of dreams intertwined with mine. Walking down this road, shadows gently sway. Every step I take leads me closer to the day. And I feel the spark igniting, like fire in my soul. With every heartbeat growing, it's time to take control. So let the music play, we'll dance in the rain. Through all the heartaches, through all of the pain. Together we'll rise like a phoenix in flight. In the glow of your love, everything feels right. Memories like footprints etched upon the sand. Every laughter, every tear, all the love we planned. Chasing lights and feelings, no more running away. Hand in hand we'll face whatever comes our way. And I feel the spark igniting, it's burning bright and true. With every moment passing, I'm lost inside of you. So let the music play, we'll dance in the rain. Through all the heartaches, through all of the pain. Together we'll rise like a phoenix in flight. In the glow of your love, everything feels right. And in the dance of fate, we'll spin around and play. Even when the shadows fall, I will drift away. Together we'll scream, we'll make our way. In the mystery of dreams, let the music sway. Let the music play, we'll dance in the rain. Through all the heartaches, through all of the pain. Together we'll rise like a phoenix in flight. In the glow of your love, everything feels right. Feels right. So here we are, my love, the sky a brilliant hue. With every breath I take, I'm forever bound to you. Feel free to adjust any parts of the lyrics are structured according to your vision for the song. Quiet of the night, when the stars align, I hear whispers of dreams intertwined with mine. I won't drift away. So let the music play, we'll dance in the rain. Through all the heartaches, through all of the pain. Together we'll rise like a phoenix in flight. In the glow of your light.